Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 7. To begin, press and hold the top left button for a few seconds to power on your device. Navigate through menus using the 5 distinct buttons: up, down, start/stop, back, and light. Customize your watch face by holding the middle left button, then selecting watch face to personalize your display with various data fields and designs. This initial setup ensures your device is ready for action. To track an activity, press the top right start/stop button from the watch face. Scroll through the activity list using the up or down buttons, then select your desired sport like running or cycling by pressing start/stop again. Wait for GPS acquisition, indicated by a green ring, then press start/stop to begin recording. During your workout, monitor metrics such as heart rate, pace, and distance. When finished, press start/stop and choose Save to log your activity. Your Fenix 7 offers advanced health monitoring. Access your body battery score by pressing up or down from the watch face, providing insights into your energy levels. Configure smart notifications by pairing with your phone via the Garmin Connect app, ensuring you receive alerts directly on your wrist. For outdoor navigation, utilize the built-in GPS and preloaded maps. Simply select Navigate from the activity menu to explore routes or find points of interest with precision. To maintain your Fenix 7, ensure regular charging. It boasts an impressive battery life of up to 18 days in smartwatch mode or up to 57 days in battery saver mode. Connect your device to a computer or use the Garmin Connect app to check for and install software updates, ensuring optimal performance and new features. To maximize longevity, clean the charging contacts periodically and avoid extreme temperatures. These simple steps will keep your Fenix 7 running smoothly for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.